Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 useful English words about family and people.
This lesson is perfect for beginners.
I will say the English word.
I will read one easy example sentence using that word.
Continue with words 2801 through 2900.
Academic advisor.
My academic advisor helped me choose classes.
Account manager.
The account manager answered my questions.
Achievement award.
She received an achievement award.
Action strategy.
Our action strategy was successful.
Activity report.
Please submit the activity report.
Air conditioner.
Turn on the air conditioner.
Airline ticket.
I bought an airline ticket online.
Airport lounge.
We waited in the airport lounge.
Annual budget.
The company approved the annual budget.
Apartment manager.
The apartment manager fixed the door.
Application deadline.
Don't miss the application deadline.
Arrival gate.
Meet me at the arrival gate.
Artificial flower.
The artificial flowers look real.
Assistant coach.
The assistant coach encouraged the team.
Attendance record.
Her attendance record is excellent.
Automatic update.
Enable the automatic update.
Available position.
There is an available position.
Background check.
The company completed a background check.
Bank account.
I opened the new bank account.
Bank loan.
The bank approved my loan.
Bicycle parking.
Bicycle parking is behind the building.
Boarding area.
Passengers waited in the boarding area.
Breakfast menu.
The breakfast menu has many choices.
Budget proposal.
The budget proposal was accepted.
Building manager.
The building manager greeted us.
Business communication.
Business communication should be clear.
Business owner.
The business owner hired new employees.
Calendar invitation.
I accepted the calendar invitation.
Career development.
Career development takes time.
Car insurance.
Car insurance is required by law.
Cash payment.
I made a cash payment.
Central office.
The central office is downtown.
Certificate course.
She completed a certificate course.
Charity donation.
We made a charity donation.
Child care.
Good child care is important.
Classroom project.
The classroom project was creative.
Client meeting.
The client meeting was productive.
Cloud storage.
My photos are in cloud storage.
Communication network.
The communication network is reliable.
Company website.
Visit the company website.
Computer keyboard.
My computer keyboard is wireless.
Conference call.
We joined the conference call.
Construction project.
The construction project finished early.
Contact address.
Please update your contact address.
Customer account.
Check your customer account online.
Customer service desk.
The customer service desk is downstairs.
Daily schedule.
Follow your daily schedule.
Data management.
Data management is very important.
Delivery driver.
The delivery driver arrived on time.
Dental appointment.
My dental appointment is next week.
Department head.
The department head approved the request.
Digital platform.
Many students use the digital platform.
Discussion leader.
The discussion leader asked good questions.
Distance education.
Distance education is growing.
Document review.
The document review took 1 hour.
Driving test.
I passed my driving test.
Education policy.
The education policy changed this year.
Electric scooter.
He rides an electric scooter.
Emergency response.
The emergency response was fast.
Employment history.
Please include your employment history.
Energy conservation.
Energy conservation saves money.
Engineering design.
The engineering design won an award.
Environmental science.
She studies environmental science.
Equipment checklist.
Complete the equipment checklist.
Exercise program.
My exercise program starts today.
Family doctor.
Our family doctor is very kind.
Financial statement.
I reviewed my financial statement.
First impression.
You made a great first impression.
Fitness routine.
My fitness routine keeps me healthy.
Flight schedule.
Check the flight schedule before leaving.
Food preparation.
Food preparation takes time.
Foreign language.
She speaks 2 foreign languages.
Furniture design.
Furniture design is his profession.
General information.
Read the general information first.
Goal achievement.
Hard work leads to goal achievement.
Government agency.
The government agency provides assistance.
Grocery delivery.
Grocery delivery saves time.
Group activity.
Everyone enjoyed the group activity.
Guest room.
Our guests stayed in the guest room.
Health checkup.
I have a health checkup every year.
Healthcare provider.
Choose a healthcare provider carefully.
Historical landmark.
We visited a historical landmark.
Home security.
Home security is important.
Hotel receptionist.
The hotel receptionist welcomed us.
Human resource manager.
The human resource manager interviewed me.
Identification badge.
Wear your identification badge.
Information system.
The information system works well.
Insurance coverage.
Check your insurance coverage.
Internet browser.
Update your internet browser.
Investment strategy.
We discussed our investment strategy.
Job opportunity.
This job opportunity looks promising.
Kitchen table.
We had breakfast at the kitchen table.
Language practice.
Daily language practice improves fluency.
Learning resource.
This website is a useful learning resource.
Library computer.
Students use the library computer.
Living standard.
Education improves living standards.
Local community.
The local community supports the event.
Machine operator.
The machine operator wore safety glasses.
Maintenance service.
The maintenance service fixed the elevator.
Management meeting.
The management meeting begins at 9. Excellent job!
Today you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 30.
Goodbye and happy learning!